Hello everyone, you are watching IndieDev. In this video, I'll be showing how to solve objects not appearing in camera problem in Unity. So as you can see here, I've selected my camera and in the camera tab below, only walls outlines are visible. And if I move the camera forward, objects appear one by one, and if I move it backward, they disappear. And that's because of the culling properties of camera, which restricts the camera view to a certain distance. In order to solve it, select the camera object, go to the inspector tab inside the camera properties, and under the culling planes, increase the far value to any number bigger than your current number. As you can see, I increased it to 500, and here we go. Objects are now appearing in my camera tab. So, in case if you are wondering about this scene, I've created this scene in my previous video. Go check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.